Hello, one and all. Right, so we are now at the start of our integration playlist. Now, the integration playlist for A-level Maths specifically is quite big. For AS, it's quite small. We kind of deviate away a little bit from the A-level stuff if you're just doing the AS. And really on the AS, there's only really a limit of a sum that you have to know, which is going to come later on in this playlist quite further way down. So for AS material, you do not need to look at videos that state reversing the chain rule for number one. Second one, I'd say you don't need to know integration by substitution, which is a formal version of the chain rule. Then you've got anything that deals with products, so integration by parts you don't need to know. Anything about partial fractions you don't need to know, because that's only in A2 from memory. Anything else you need to know about that you don't need to do? There is all the like numerical stuff. So trapezium rule, you don't need to know that. Differential equations, you don't need to know all the fun stuff that you meet at A2. You don't need to know for the AS specifications, so let you know all about that. I've also put in the title of my videos like not included for AS. Just check the description of all these videos. Obviously, this is an intro video to the new playlist. I'm starting here. Obviously, we've got the further differentiation playlist, which is now pretty much done by the time you see this. I think it's just implicit differentiation to do, really, for that one. It's kind of an update video as well, really, because I've not done one in a while. I might do it separate for an update video. That might be coming as well. Going your way. Also, I also want to point out that there is another playlist that's going to be coming, and it's all about parametric equations, because that's quite chunky for A2. And I kind of want to make sure that you're comfortable with parametric equations and polar coordinates as well for further maths, because we need to smash those questions that come up with like 5 markers in our exams for 2022, because we know what's going on for the 2022 exams. And I also want to make sure that you're comfortable with integration with partial fractions, as that's one of the key things that's on that list. So make sure that you go over your exam 2022 list, which, funnily enough, I've done a video on for the AS and A2 for normal A-level maths. For further, I will link a file below of this video for all of the further maths material. So that's your AS and A2 stuff there. That's linked in the description down below, so make sure go and have a look at that. And make sure you're comfortable with all the stuff. And make sure you pick your module as well for further maths, so that's your FP1, FP2, that kind of stuff. And make sure you pick those, alright? So, enjoy the integration playlist, let's crack on. Integration playlist, let's go.